welcome back to my channel. It's me again. So for today's video, I'm going to unbox a microphone that I bought from Amazon. It's very cool kasi hindi siya ganong malaki. You can bring it anywhere kung may birthday party kayong pupuntahan, magpi-picnic or magbi-beach. It's perfect. So it's a leather handle Bluetooth karaoke microphone. And then it says vocal remover, extra long standby time, Bluetooth mode, do it mode. Oh, do it mode. That's cool. Oh, siguro dito sa side, pwedeng mag-do it. And then powerful voice coil speaker and dynamic stereo reverb sound. So let's see what's inside. So, ang cute ng lalagyan niya. Ang ganda talaga ng combination ng black and red. For some reason, I really like it. Kasi kahit sa mga damit, sa clothes, pag red and black, ang ganda. Pero ewan ko lang sa iba. Siguro sa tingin ko maganda. Ito siya. It's very girly. Pink and orange. And then, I think, ano to? I think it's a charger. Charger yata to. So, let's see. I-on ko siya.
Welcome to use Bluetooth microphone. Bluetooth mode.
And then, you have to connect it sa
connected.
Bluetooth. So, we have to go to settings, Bluetooth, and then, alin ba siya dito? I think ito, Y11S. Let's see. Check, check, check. Ooh, ganda tumunog. So, it's already connected to my phone. So, i-try natin kung paano siya tumugtog. Eh, di ba ang cool? Kahit saan ka pumunta, pwede mo siyang dalahin. Shout out to my idol, Jenlyn Mercado. If I'm not in love with you, what is this I'm going through tonight? And if my heart is lying, then that's it. Sintonado yata. Why do I go crazy every time I think about you, baby? Okay, take 2. There are times when I just want to look at your face with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in a cold night. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. Another one. Ang ganda ng mic. Ang bigat. Ito karaoke siya. Dito yung lyrics sa phone ko. pigilan na nadarama ng puso ko. Kahit pa alam kong meron kang iba, ay di pa rin nagbabago ang damdamin ko. So guys, that's it for today's vlog kasi umiiyak na yung anak ko. Kanta pa ng kanta yung mami niya. Bye! See you again next time! Hold on na.